The ARV, or the after repaired value, is based on comparable sales. That means like houses in the same neighborhood or area that have sold within the last 6 months or less. What you do is you take those average sales and then you add up all the square footages and the average sales price, and you get an average price per square foot that houses are selling for. And then you plug that average price per square foot into the square footage of your house. Now that should do it. But again, there are things that you can't see with the naked eye. And I want to point out, particularly school districts. A house exactly the same as a house across the street can vastly differ in value because one house is in a better school district than another house. So make sure you check school districts when you're looking at ARVs and you're looking at comps. And make sure that the houses you're looking at are in the same school district. You might say, Mitch, how did you figure that out? Well, let me tell you. I bought a house one time for a price based on what the house across the street went for. I immediately put it up for sale for the same price as the house across the street because the house across the street was only on the market for 3 days. I sat with mine for 6 months and dang near lost money on the sale of this house. I had a $50,000 margin and I was going to make some really good money until I found out that the house across the street was in a very rich school district and my house was in a very poor school district.